The NRLW State of Origin was the most viewed sporting series ever. The most recent Women's Soccer World Cup was the most viewed FIFA Women's World Cup ever. And the most recent Women's Cricket World Cup broke records as well. Decades of work and encouragement and sponsorship growth have gone into developing both women's professional sport and women's participation in sport. And we are starting to see the fruits. A winning women's team doesn't materialise from the ether. It needs a pipeline of players, and there are problems ahead for the pipeline. Until 12, many codes play mixed sport, and then, because of puberty and different ways that girls' and boys' bodies change, we split the teams along gender lines. However, now we are increasingly seeing players who have experienced male puberty and hence have a muscle mass and bone development which differs to that of most women, seek to play in women's and girls' teams. Trans rights are being recognised. But who is speaking for women and girls? Our Minister for Women struggled to say what a woman was, but went on to say that women and girls should be safe and feel safe in all settings, including sporting environments. Well, Minister, we know that they don't. We have all heard the stories of women and girls stopping soccer, pulling out of AFL and other codes because they don't feel safe playing against very different bodies to theirs. They no longer enjoy playing when they do not feel that they are playing against their peers. And it's also an issue for our professional sport pipeline. Ironically, sportswomen at the elite level play in codes which limit the participation of those who have experienced male puberty. But what about those playing club sport who aspire to be professional sportswomen? What happens to our sportswomen between 12 and 20?